Okay, I'm going to extrude with the new PCX extruder. I've removed the plunger, which is completely removable with a quick release pin. I have installed a hollow die. This is actually an F-series hollow die that I'm going to use. I'm going to add some clay to the barrel. Slide the plunger in place. And I'm going to select the pin spot here at the base. Slide the pin in. Now, you have to be careful where this little retainer is. If you have it on the back side, it's going to get pinched, and it will eventually get pinched on the front side as well. So you kind of go back and forth with it. The way the multiplier for the handle works, out in the position closest to the hole, it's going to take the most force to push the extrusion through. Now this is a pretty big extrusion, so it's probably not going to take that much to begin with. I've got a octagon in there, about 3.5 inch octagon. In order to make it easier to extrude, you can slide closer to the center point. The closer you go, each step closer, there's 6 steps, each step closer you go makes it easier. You need to add a little bit more clay to extrude much more on this. Now, to be able to remove the plunger, to add more clay, you have to remove the pin or have it in the hole. But it's simple enough to remove. Okay, another block of clay. I'm going to add that to it. Probably not the best thing. There'll be an air pocket in between those two pieces, but I could have put more in initially and didn't do it. I'll install that again and reinstall the pin. We'll go as close to the center point as I can, which makes this very easy compared to having it all the way out in the hole. And that's pretty much it. You can use your cut wire and cut through the extrusion, and you're good to go.